Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Sugala ellarku? Good. How many people know me? Raise your hands. Some people, right? So rest people, I am in new faces. Correct? So you don't know who I am. You don't know where I am from. Correct? Yes, some people know. Kerala, right? Okay. Before I talk to you, I just want to give a gratitude to some people, some power. First, I have to give a gratitude to God because, for giving this wonderful opportunity to prove myself into others. Second, as one and only, I'm directly work with our angel, my mentor is VP Sachin Bhai. And the other, my backbone, is one and only Midhulaj Sanali Veedu Paramba. And the most powerful thanks goes to my haters, because of them I'm standing here, or else I'm anyone in the world actually, right? So I'm starting from myself. My name is Ginu. I'm all the way from UK. It's United Kerala. I am a Malayali. Right. So I'm born and brought up in such a poor family, as low class family. Low class family in the sense, financially we are poor. Simple. We don't have money to survive actually. I have a father, I have a mother, I have a sister. Father have a small tea shop in the city, small city. That city called Palikara. So he used to work in a shop. Shop is in the sense it's a small shop. It's like a small tea shop. Like he can stand only. There is no space. Like Malayalati Varna, it's like a tattada, right? Small things are. So mom is housewife. She work and for me to feed me, to feed my sister and feed my father, and she help my father's shop also. So I born with a lots of problems, financial problems. So it will strike me in the lower age. I smell my father work, my mother work to make money. The father opened the shop in early morning 3 o'clock till he work till night 11 o'clock. So when I wake up, I can't see him. I can talk with him. I can spend time with him because he hardly work to make money. So that time I'm focused on. I want to know why he work harder, why he's struggling so too much. So I get to know he working harder to me. And for that time, after my college, I want to go to MBA. Then I consult with my father. I want to study more. I'll study more. I'll get more salary. Then I can help you back. That thought process running in my mind. So I went college, but I don't have money. But my father arranged money from friends and some other societies. He took a liability, and I pushed. I pushed to go to MBA. I studied, and I completed MBA. I attended an interview in a bigger company called Infopark. Why I go there? Because I travel, near with the place in front of that company, the bigger IT companies, like bigger class and all. So while I'm traveling, I saw so many people. So many employees wearing a coat, suit, and they have a sporty bike and a sporty car. I thought that if I get a job there, I can make more money. I can develop my life. I can help my father also, right? That's why I went there and submit my certificate there. I got placed in a reputed company in account position. I started working there 3 months except pure training period, and I have only 5 days working period, Saturday off, Sunday off. That the interview time, they explain the working schedule, only 5 days. Saturday, Sunday you can celebrate. Then I start working 3 months. I celebrated. Why? Because just wake up in the morning, go sit in the front of the system, learn so many things, and come back and chit chat with the friends and play with the friends and lay down and tomorrow again. This is a process, 3 months training. I can feel what's the real faces of corporate. After 3 months, I'm starting some work. They will allocate more work and start. I'm producing more work, and they allocating like production and all, target and all. Because I'm used to working in accounts. I verify the accounts finally. If there is a in point zero difference, it will impact all the accounts. So how to sit and correct all the accounts. Now after I leave night till night, I have to work there. No more pressure. I have to face. So slowly. I used to work in a Saturday. I used to work in a Sunday. Weekly 7 days I have to work there. So slowly that job irritated me as well. But I can't quit the job. Why? Because that time I'll get 25,000 rupees as my salary. That is my life. So if I stick on there, if I work harder, that's a corporate, right? They will give up, increment and promotion and all, right? So I focus on more work. I focus on the work and develop there, and they give some increment like a peanuts. But that peanuts will a bundle of workload also. So that job irritated, but I forced to work there. I stick on there in a 3-4 years. I work. I have a corporate experience in a 4 years in a corporate company. It's an account company. After 3 years, I look at my back, my previous life. Why I started? Why I go there and work harder to help my father, to help my mother also, right? But they still struggling. If my father used to go early in the morning till late night, he worked. Nothing else changed. The change is only my father health goes down daily basis, and my mom hospital expenses are increasing. Why? Because she already she removed her uterus. So to affect her, if the ladies know, uterus removed, which means one is fat, one is slim actually. My mom become fat and she can handle the body weight. So the distance is daily, monthly is increasing actually. So she can stand even half an hour. Then you choose to push more to sit 10 minutes. Then she can work. So slowly, mom affecting the health issues, and that time father used to work more because expense is growing. That time, no, expense is growing and the father's health should goes down. I'm looking into that, his life. So 3 years corporate experience. I make money, but where is the money? I don't know. It's like a cutter, like a black hole. It's coming, it's going out. Same my life. Month first, I got a salary. I got a message from my phone, from my company, from my bank into my phone, a credited excess amount. Then I got so many messages, EMI due, deducted, credit card bill due deducted, and hospital expense, I expense, every expense, right? So 1 month, in between 15-16 days, my income equal to expense actually. This is my life. So I realizing this is not my life. I don't want this life. I need to help my father. I want to step up my life. I want to help. I want to build a better life. If my father sacrificed his life, mother sacrificed his life, I want to help them. I want to bring them into the better life. So I used to work some part-time job because everyone need money. Everyone running behind money, right? No proper money, right? So I jumped into some part-time job. No, I used to work in a catering service in the Sunday and Saturday and all. I used to work in a driving. I used to work in heard about Wonderla, right? It's an amusement park. There's a night worker there. It's a pool cleaning. Every customers, every people know out the mall, the pools are dirty, which means I have to clean the pools. So it's too much dirty and too much, bacteria are there. So health become affected. But I used to work there because I like get some money from there. So stick on there. That dropped it because health issues coming. Health problem is irritating me. Then I go to the mall. I used to work there in a night theater. Then I go through the job, but the same process, same situation, money issues, health issues, and problems still remaining. So I want to do something. What I have to do? I don't know. What? I'm a normal guy. I don't have money. I don't have support. I don't have friends. Nothing I don't know. And I don't have. What I have to do? What? Next? It's the biggest question mark ever in my life. But I realize today my father working in a shop. He at least take care of his family and me and my all together, right? Tomorrow he can't work. He can go to work. Health reflected, health damaged. He can stand like his leg. So I have to take care of my family, my father, my mother, and myself. I have to take care of. As of now, I can't take care of myself. Then how I take care of my family? That day, I think about my life. That day I took my life as a serious thing. Then I jump into some innovative things, but no support from the society, no support from the friends, nothing. But daily I have to go to a church evening. We pray in between 10-15 minutes to in a church, and daily I'm asking to God, I want to do something. I really want to help my father. I really want to help my mother, and really want to help myself. I need value in the society. I need to create a value in front of my friends and all, cousins and all, right? So finally, I got a call in Friday night from my brother-in-law. He calling from Kuwait, and he told me that Saturday one guy is coming from Kuwait, and go and meet him. He share you something, do it, you can change your life. That's it. Nothing else. He's my brother-in-law, right? I trust him. I went and met that guy. His name called Ani Matthew from Kuwait. And he explained everything. Business, some kind of a financial, some kind of a 3V, 3UV. No, I don't know anything. Because my life, job, home, then friends, then job, home, friends. That's it. Nothing else. I don't know that kind of a business. I don't know e-commerce business. I don't know network marketing. I don't know direct selling. Nothing actually. But that day, I'm not went alone. My friend is with me. It's like a buddy, right? His name is also George. He telling me that this is called seems like a adding people and bringing people, and he asks in front of him, this is called money chain, right? But that time I don't know what it is. Really, I don't know, right? But I want to do something. So whether it is I trust one guy, is my brother-in-law. Then I started. Before starting, I have to pay. Everyone, we have to pay, right? Time, money, everything, right? I invested some money. But, I took a liability, extra liability, and invested. Then, I'm become bigger zero. Then, finally, 2 weeks, 1 week after, my brother-in-law called, go to Calicut. Because there is a system, call system is running. Go and attend the system. We went Calicut. We don't have money. Even we don't have money to buy food also. we eat parota because this parota is heavier. If we eat in the morning, then we can eat in the night. So we don't have money to pay the food also, right? We struggled a lot. 8 months we continuously travel for a 1 hour system to Calicut, and never we dropped it because we don't have other option. I'm stick with the process. I'm connected with my upline. I work harder. After 8 months, I'm started on system in a Kochi, and within that time, so many successful stories are coming. And that time, I used to that's the working time. My mom asked 100 rupee. I'll give her 10 rupee, 20 rupee because I don't have money. Then after mom asked for 200 rupees, I'll give her 50 rupee. But after that, my mom asked 100 rupee, I'll give her 500 rupee. If 500 rupee, I'll give her 2000 rupees. If my mom asks more than 2000 rupees, I give my card, keep it. Okay. So, and one more thing. I used to go to government college and local hospital and all, right? Treatment. Today, I'm giving a best treatment to my mom, to my father. Why? Because I took a decision. It's a painful, it's a hurtful, but that decision helped me to reach, helped me to overcome every problem, right? Today you sit here, you listen to so many speakers, right? So many living lifeful stories, right? Experience. You can learn because you already face the same problem. I already met all the problems. Why I overcome? I figure out my reason. One and only my father, one and only my mom. Today, they're living a better life. They catch all the dreams. They remove so many things because of the money value. Today, they will not look at the price tag. They can buy anything because my son is making more money, right? Then why we limiting? So they have to start dreaming, right? Correct. So simple, in front of you is an amazing opportunity. If you take care of it, if you're ready to work harder, if you fight against the haters, definitely you can catch everything. And one more thing, stick with your upline. He's a mentor, right? It's like a father. My working upline is Mithilash. He's like a father. He guides me. He's with me 24 hours. I stick with him. That's why today I'm standing here. Or no one will not remember me. I'll still there in front of a system. I'm working for someone. I make someone, I don't know who is he. He become millionaire. I become poor also, right? So simple. Take a decision. Figure out your reason. Figure out your why. And work for that. You're applying the entire universe, in the entire society. Maybe against you. But you have to figure out your reason. That reason will guide you. That reason will push you. That reason will pump you. Then tomorrow you can come here. I can share your takeaways. That takeaway will change n number of people's life. That people, maybe n number of Sachin Gupta, n number of Kavita ma'am, n number of Mithilash, n number of every potential people, right? So come, don't sit here. Next QSP, we can stand together. We can share everything. We can share our success stories, everything, right? Figure out and create your best version. Everyone have a best version of in your life, right? Figure out it. One thing, your best version, and submit into your upline, and receive so many hitting and chips. Then you can become a better version of yourself. Correct. So that's I just want to share with you. Thank you so much, and thank you upline for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.